back with another video. So on today's video, I will be sharing with you lovelies my shower routine for soft, glowy, smooth, silky skin in 3 easy steps. Okay, but before we get started, y'all know what to do. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you'll never miss another video from me. And hit that like for your girl too. Give me a thumbs up. Y'all know I appreciate the love. So yeah, y'all. So I'm gonna share my shower routine from beginning to end with y'all. All the products that I use, because it's all about the products. All right. It's about the application too, but as well as the products that you use. So I'll make sure that I list the products that I use in the description box below. It'll be my Amazon link, so y'all know y'all can click that link and pick up the products, okay? Now, I do this shower routine at least 1 time a week. Part of the routine is me shaving my entire body. I have to, y'all, because when I tell y'all I am hairy, like I'm hairy and my hair grows back fast. I thought about doing laser hair removal, but because I'm hairy all over and you have to have so many sessions of laser hair removal for it to be effective, I was just like, you know what? I don't have no problem whatsoever with shaving. I shave my whole body, including under my arms. I don't have to worry about that dark pigmentation under my arms after shaving because of this soap that I use, and I'm going to be sharing the soap that I use. Ever since I've been using this soap to exfoliate my skin first, I don't have that dark pigmentation under my arms. Like it's literally lighting up before my eyes. So yeah, I actually like doing this, and I'm gonna share this with y'all. And it does, like, I really do. My skin is so soft and glowy, y'all. Like, so I just had to share this with y'all. I had to share this with my she gang. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you want to see more content like this. And let's get started. Now the products that I'll be using for this tutorial. So we're going to start off with exfoliation, and for that I'll be using the Medina's Goat Milk Soap with rich moisturizing. This is a rich moisturizing soap with shea butter and goat's milk. Y'all, this soap is the bomb. It creates such a rich lather. This is really what makes your skin silky smooth, along with that exfoliating washcloth that I got. Also going to be using the Intuition razor. You get what you pay for, and you'll find out what I mean later on in the video. So as you can see, I'm really exfoliating under my arm. Like, I'm really getting under my arm, y'all. My whole body, like, exfoliation is the key to getting all of the dead skin off. Normally I would use a dry brush for my back, but I don't have one. The one that I had to throw it away, so I had to just do the best I can. Now, as you can see, this razor is really, like, the blade is so dull. So I had to switch it out for this Venus razor, which is the
bomb. That razor is so sharp. Now, the way that I'm using it, it doesn't look like it's sharp, but y'all be careful. I was just in the zone. Don't be like me. The blade is sharp. Look at my facial expressions. Like, really, I was into it, I'm telling y'all. So I went back to the Intuition one more time. I was like, I'm gonna give her one more try. I'm gonna try her on my arms since it's not a lot of hair on my arms at all. And I was like, well, let me just try it on my arms to see if it could just get it smooth. And it just was not doing anything, y'all. It was like I wasn't even using a razor. It was so dull. It gave a really rich lather, but as far as the blade, it really sucked. So you'll see I went back to my Venus. Now I am going to use this exfoliating body wash to just rinse off the soap. This has hyaluronic acid in it. Now I am using this Amlactin. This is Algae Hydroxy Therapy Daily Lotion. Okay, this is also an exfoliating lotion, and it really helps to get rid of any type of dry, rough skin. Okay, this is really key to getting that soft, glowy skin, y'all. Y'all know I'm gonna leave a link for you below. Look at that glow, y'all. Like, it is beautiful, soft. Okay, it's like silk, y'all. Now I'm going to go in with the organic coconut oil. This is how you get that sexy glow, okay? Using some coconut oil to just seal everything in while moisturizing. I'm really getting that leg, y'all, so you can see that glow. that beautiful glow. Sexy legs. Yes. As you can see, my underarms are not dark, and that is because I use the goat milk soap, and I really do feel like it's making a big difference under my arms. That's it, y'all. Thanks for watching.